Karibu eHope TV.
Good morning. Thank you so much. This is Reverend Evelyn Chisulo Mshani from Zambia. And we are here currently at Mindolo Ecumenical Foundation here in Zambia, where we have a fundraising seminar which is taking place at Mindolo Parish. And here, as you can see behind me, we have the women who are from Tanzania together with some men who came from Tanzania, and we have our fellow Zambians who are here to support us, and also we have the band from the United Church of Zambia. And this is the function that is trying to build the unity together, bridging the unity between Zambia and also Tanzania. We are glad to host this meeting, and we are happy to have all of them here. Thank you so much. As we welcome you, will join us later for more information. Thank you.
Karibu eHope TV.